Oh, pictures from China. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Yes, in today's video it's time for the True Blue Mini. This is the Crackhead pack. So we're having the 64GB USB thumb drive that you can stick in your Mini. And we're going to get one-on-one games. So the Chinese have been naughty again. Alright, so for the people who are really new to the channel and to this product, what are you going to get? It's pretty simple. You're going to get this USB thumb drive. They're just going to stick in your Player 2 port. What you also can do is use this very cheap chemical plastic USB hub. So the only thing what you're going to need to do is stick it in your second port, use the thumb drive, and that's it. And you can use the final port for your controller, so you can still play with two players. There are some different methods for using this, but this is the most convenient and easy way to do. So you don't need to make it yourself. This is what you're going to get, this cheap, very bluish True Blue Mini stick. It's naughty, it's a Crackhead pack, and one-on-one games. So let's take it in and let's see what we're going to get. Alright, so how does it work? Very simple. Don't power it on. Get your shot, get your crack pack. Alright, we're going to put it in over here. I'm not going to use the USB hub. And here we go with the controller. And when you're done, power up. Alright, so this is what you're going to get when you're powering on the system and the USB stick has been recognized by your Mini. Right, so a shitload of games. The collection, it's a mix of everything again. But sometimes what I don't get, that they don't put a full collection on the thumb drive. So this is a really good mix of horror games, RPGs, even Simpson Wrestling seems to be waving Soul Blade. So, and some of the games are coming back in different packs. So I think you need to decide for yourself what kind of games I'm searching for and what kind of game do I want to play on the Minis. Some collections are complete, some are not complete. Let's see, we're having Twisted Metal 2 on this one. So, for example, this is a great example that Twisted Metal 1 is on a different pack and on the original Mini, but it is not on this pack. So, I think if you want to search a perfect pack, it will never be perfect, or you need to make it yourself. So it's more like a mix, and I'm afraid that you need to, let's say, search the games and still switch between thumb drives. This is also very strange. We're having Crash Bandicoot 1, 2 and CTR. Where's number 3? Why didn't you leave number 3 out? Yes, it's on a different thumb drive. Yeah, but it's still really annoying. Alright, so to give you more like an idea what kind of games are on it. It's a good mix. It's a very good mix. 101 games. Can it go faster? Oh yeah. Let's try some. Yes, I always choose the same character. So what is really cool that you can still save your progress. Very nice.
can of whoop-ass. Eat me. Transcending history and the world, a tale of soul and swords, eternally retold.
It's been peaceful here in the Five Worlds, or is it six? For a dragon's age. We now have 12,000 treasure, or is it...
Loading times! They take forever.
It's showtime! Go for it, man!
Alright, so this is what you're going to get with the True Blue Mini Meth Pack. Yeah, Crackhead Meth Pack, whatever, what kind of pack, Naughty Stick. This is what you're going to get with this 1-on-1 game collection. It's a mix of a little bit of everything. Sometimes very strange that they're picking 1 or 2 games of a full collection. Want to know from you, what do you think of this? Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell and become one of the Wicked family. And it would be great to see you in the next video.